Right guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate Smartcharts platform. Now once you're in the dashboard, I'm going to be going over all the different sections, all the different headings, the settings and also customer support. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Right now, once you log in for the first time, this will be the screen you'll be presented with. There'll be a lovely little video here for you to look at. And also, if we start from the right, and then we'll go through everything. So this is the section today. Today's strategy selections from the AI tool. So this will be the top 5 selections with patterns.ai. Now we can see that there's 2 sells, a buy, 2 sells. All we have to do is simply click on that button and it will put that sell or buy on for you. Now looking down below, they've also got price setups by AI as well. So you can see there's multiple different pairs across different sections and different industries. So these obviously have the entry price and the stop loss, and they're giving you basically a trade idea. This is just on your homepage. Now, if we look on the left, we can see today's unlimited wealth events. So these are the events that you can join, that you can click, that you can watch, and you can go through everything for there. Now, if we were to start at the right now, we can see that this is the full screen section. We've got our settings tab, customer support. We can say which one it is, our balance, our current profit or loss. Right now, working our way through the top headings, at the top, you have your learn section. This will be all your education. This will be the full breakdown of the basics of trading, of some of the strategies, of the advanced, more likely Forex bits and pieces, with over like 50 to 60 episodes on some of them. Now the second one is your chart. This is exactly where you'll be planning, where you'll be looking at the charts yourself, also applying the different strategies that it comes with it, and changing time frames, etc., or simply taking a buy or a sell. Now trades is nice and simple. This is where you have your open trades, your pending trades if you were to set market limit orders, closed trades if they were already done, if they've hit the take profit hopefully, or sadly if they've stop loss, or if you have closed them early. Cancelled ones are the ones you've simply closed before they've entered. Now journal is one of my most important ones. I will recommend for every single trader that does it, is your journal. Okay, so once you've taken your trade, it will appear down here. You can create a journal and keep basically a record of all the trades you've taken and the entries, and you can basically put them by strategy or initial risk or time frame. It gives you that confidence that you can go back and see which ones are working for you and which ones aren't, or did you do something wrong? Did you enter at the wrong time? Is there a certain time of the day that you should be doing your trades? So coaching is our next one. Simply watch this video, go to your account page, and you can register for their mentoring sessions. Okay, so now live events. These are the live webinars, the ones where the educators and the people involved with Smartcharts will go through and do everything for you. So for example, we've got here Learn Forex webinars. So this is a European session and also the Asia session. You simply click on one and then you can go through and watch the recorded ones as well. We're going down, we've got unlimited wealth events. So bootcamp for beginners, breakfast club, bootcamp advanced, virtual room, master trader, stock indices, commodities. Honestly, there is so many. We've got psychology workshop, which is very important. I recommend watching this 100% of the time, and also as many as you can, to be honest, because if we're watching something, we're always learning. Okay, so you can click on the second tab and go to the recordings as well. So these are the ones that obviously have already been. You can look back and watch them. Right, now this tab is tools. This is where you can see, for example, some of the really important things that they go over. So like here, the AI is predicting the currency strength of US dollar is high. So green would be they recommend a buy, and red would be they recommend a sell. Now, if we see, if the chart was all the way down here, they would fully recommend you to buy. Whereas if it's like just in the middle, obviously it's a little bit more for you to make your own judgment based on the markets. Over here we've got currency heat map, and then we've got our technical analysis section as well, where you can go down and you can see the different periods, see the oscillator, the pivot points, etc. And then over here we have price action news. So this is telling you that USD JPY possible support around 157.10, which is obviously very good, because if you're doing the support and resistance, you can confirm or deny if it's like another confluence again. So if you've got that support already in, it makes you feel a little bit good, and obviously reassures yourself that you're doing it. Now the final section is ideas. Okay, so we've got patterns AI and we've got ideas. So we can see that GU, they've identified a possible triangle, status breakout, published 6 hours ago, quality was 64%. So you can see that some of these obviously is like 19%, but then some are 79%, and I've seen high as like 91 or 92% before, but these are totally different. They're totally good ones. If you click on it, it will give you that analysis and the resistance line and can show you exactly how. So for GU, for example, the triangle, they got this spot on. They said it was going to be a sell, and it's literally done just that. It's working its way still down. And if I were to change these into candles, we can see that the triangle, it predicted perfectly, and it's going down into this section where it believes it was going to. Right, there you have it. That is the breakdown and the navigation of the platform itself in SmartCharts. Now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now,